Hello, this is John McCormick with my sixth video upload. This is going to be a package opening today. I received a package in yesterday's mail from a subscriber, Paul Springett. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Forgive me if I'm not. He originally contacted me. He said he had something he wanted to send me to start me on my journey or help me on my journey with lock sport, and I said sure, and I gave him my address, and then thinking, well, you know, he's domestic, but turns out he just from his email I picked up that he must be probably British, I thought. So I said, well, he's sending something from England. Well, lo and behold, I get this package. I'm going to put the phone down. I get this package yesterday, and it's not from England, it's from Australia. Wow. And first package I've ever received from Australia, and a heavy package. Sorry for bouncing the camera around here. A heavy package to boot. Let me pick it up and show you how huge this is. This is a very heavy package, and I'm dying to see what's in it. I'm very humbled by receiving this from Paul, and to not belabor it, I guess I'm going to open it. And I'm going to try to keep any notes off camera, so I don't have any creative knives. I'm just going to use the old standard box cutter and try to get this open without any damage. Very well packaged. I mean, this thing is taped and wrapped and retaped and made it totally intact. So very, very happy that it was packaged so well, Paul. And I tell you what, this speaks to what Bill Bacardi says about the people in lock sport. Being a great community, always willing to help each other out, and so forth. And I'm just blown away. Even not knowing what's in this, just receiving something from so far away from someone like this is, it's, to use a Daz Every term, it's just awesome. It's just marvelous. So let me open this up. I think there might be a note which I will take off camera here. And it says, John, hope you're well. Hope you can find use of the contents. Good luck with your picking journey, Paul. And I really appreciate the note, Paul. He has tremendous penmanship. I wish I had penmanship like that, but alas, my penmanship is very, very bad. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Rather than try to keep this all on, I'm going to take the little package out, and then as I bring the items out, I will show them to you. Oh, the first thing is wow, it is a solid steel padlock. Uh-oh. It is a disc detainer type padlock. How about that? I have never seen one of these live. I will enjoy branching out into this. I'm having trouble picking a stock lock quick set at the time, at the beginning of my journey here, but this is very nice. I will feature this in an upcoming video. Add this to my collection very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Let me pull the rest out of here. I think he said in his note that was a last minute inclusion. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is heavy. Let me get my knife and carefully open this. Wow. Looks like some type of a container. Let me try to do this without damaging anything. Very well packaged. Okay. I apologize for my fumbling around here, but I do want to be very careful. I don't want to damage anything. Wow. Okay. I always cut away from myself. I've seen some people cut towards themselves, which makes me nervous. Wow. This is unbelievable. Tactics organizer. This is a kit which I assume he's put together. It doesn't say that the organizer is turn it around here. It doesn't say that this is dedicated to lock sport. Let me open it up. Wow, wow, wow. I am overwhelmed. This, I have to pick this camera up, and pardon my shaking around handheld here. There are bins in here with key pins. Oh my. Unbelievable. Key pins and springs and driver pins. Unbelievable. Here's a Brava rim cylinder. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh my. I'm going to try to, pardon my, I don't want to make you camera drunk. Wow, this is a pinning shoe, I believe. I believe that's what that is. And then this is a Brava cylinder. Rim cylinder. I've never heard of that. Oh my, this is brand new rim cylinder to play with. Oh my, this is very, very nice. Oh, so, and then I'm going to pick the camera up. Well, maybe I don't have to, because I'm sorry I shake so much here. I have a number of, wow, I believe these are called kick cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I can't wait to get into these. Oh my. Here we have a master lock. Oh, I love these. Potty 314 is the master decoder, and I'm going to have fun decoding this using his techniques. Here's a number of keys. I'm not sure. Oh, there's all types of different keys here. Oh my, that maybe I can use those in conjunction with these to pin them up and make challenge locks. Oh my, this is just unbelievably generous. Unbelievable. Over here, shims. Huh. Just fabulous. Over here, it just goes on and on. This is unbelievable. I was saying that this is a short video, but it's anything but short. There's another type of cylinder. I'm not sure what that's called. I guess that doesn't fit this. I'll figure out what that is. Oh, there's a number of these. Let me just take a look at these. I know I'm not getting them on camera very well. Oh my. So generous. There's like 4 of those to explore and play with. Oh, unbelievable. Oh my, I've seen these so much in my watching lock sport. I've never held one. A Euro cylinder with keys on both ends. Like I say, I've seen these so much online on different people's channels. This is a Whitco, and this is not branded, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinner. I don't know, this is a little bit shorter. Maybe it's a 4-pinner. Another rim cylinder. Oh, look at that. Small little victory lock. Holding the keys on this for this rim cylinder. Another small cylinder. Plug follower. My. And these are things that, oh, that's extra dividers here. These are things that I knew I was going to be needing once I tried to open up a lock. And I knew I had no plug followers. I was looking at how do you make them, what do you do. I don't have a 3D printer, and I've seen people 3D print some fabulous items, trays and plug followers and so forth. There's another cylinder. A Lockwood. Oh, I've heard so much about these Lockwoods, and I believe they are Australian, and I've heard so much about them, the types of pins they have. This one, it goes in. I am going to have to pick that. It does not turn. Ha ha ha. So I guess I am going to learn about this by going inside and fixing this Lockwood, or investigating why it doesn't turn right now. Fabulous. I'll tell you what, I've got to get into these kicks, these simple ones. This is the beginning of my journey, and this is unbelievable. Here is a Brava oval cylinder. Okay, that's what these other ones were. They were an oval cylinder. This looks like a brand new Brava. Yes, it is. Oops. Some tail pieces fell out here onto the table, and they're still falling out. A number of tail pieces. Oh my. Nice brand new cylinder there. Let's see if it's keyed up. Oh, and it is. It works. A brand new cylinder there. Beautiful. I'll put that back in the box when I finish. And oh my, a pair of pinning tweezers. And I knew I was going to be needing these. My hands, despite being a bit unstable or shaky, I knew I was going to need a pair of pinning tweezers, and lo and behold, there we go. So this is just an unbelievable package, Paul. All I can say is thank you. Let me just pick this up and show you. You know, this is just unbelievable. It's just so generous of you, Paul, to get a beginner, a noob, as they say these days, going in lock sport, and so generous of you to do this, and just unbelievable. I'm at a loss for words. So thank you very much, Paul. And you can look forward to many videos coming up about these items that you've included here, and my exploring them and learning about them. So thank you so much, Paul. And like I say, this is going pretty long already, so I'm gonna sign off for now. But just a fabulous, unexpected package from Paul Springett, and thank you so much. Goodbye.